Previously.
Living space underway. All right,
Steve.
I think someone knows there's a sponsorship.
Respectfully.
Look at this nonsense.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Cut! Is it off? Are we off?
All right, beautiful Monday morning, about 9 a.m. It's already about 80-some degrees.
Boy, it sure is a hot one today, huh?
It's gonna be heat index of 110 today. Beautiful working conditions.
Psych!
So, see how that goes. All this pretty much wrapped up. Still got some things to get done over here, grass seed and stuff over there. And now we got to put this drainage pit in. It's finally dried up a bit, so we can work with the dirt a little bit. But there you go, almost a wrap, y'all.
And that's a wrap.
Check up on these job sites. About to be 100 degrees all week, plus 108 heat index or higher. If I don't return, it was nice knowing y'all.
Hot one today, huh?
Yeah. Bro, it don't matter how hot it is. We got hats for that, cuz. You know what I mean? Ooh. 2 fans.
What the hell? Say that in Spanish, Bert. 2 fans.
Abanico. I don't know what he said. I'm not going to try to repeat it. We looking nice out here, though. Still hot. Got all that fan noise. It's a real scorcher out there.
Boy, it sure is a hot one, huh?
Speakers in, just in time so we can put surround sound on for the Ohio State Penn State game. And outdoor audio in there. My man James getting ready, wrapping everything up. Berto bringing in the soil. About to get all this seeded or sodded. I don't know what they're doing. Got the drainage pit in. Do some grading there. Touch up on the mulch. And be a wrap.
And that's a wrap. Hold up.
Lost in paradise.
So, got another one wrapped up in the books. A couple little odds and ends.
And that's a wrap.
Alright, so as you can see, everything's still a little wet, still a little muddy. So we're gonna have to come back if it ever dries out and get the actual final finished video, finished pictures, get the grass to come up, all that good stuff. With all this rain, I can't imagine it's not going to at some point soon. So that's all for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Several long days later.
Oh, pardon me. Let me get the seatbelt on real quick. You know, safety first. So, about to head out. Get some final pics, footage, all that good stuff for y'all. Just for y'all. I do this for y'all. For this beautiful project we just finished up. Got a pool, patio, landscaping. Got some underground drainage situation shenanigans we had going on over there with all the rainwater. We got some outdoor audio over there. Some landscape lighting around the whole property. It's lit. It's lit. So let's go check it out. We're going to go see what's going on over there. All right, bet.
Lost in paradise.
Yeah, she's looking real beautiful. As you can see, still got a couple of wet spots for the morning dew. Might mess up some of my beauty shots a little bit, but nothing to be too concerned with. Just look at that. She's gorgeous. Oh yeah.
Lost in paradise. I'm
There she is, folks. What a beauty. Techo block patio everywhere, looking glorious. Those waterfalls, pool, oh my goodness, could dive in right now. Patio's still a little wet. We're not gonna let that hold us back. Look at that deck area, sweet. Got the landscape lighting everywhere. Of course, you know what we do. Outdoor audio, landscaping all over the place. Look at this.
Oh, would you look at this?
Be out here all summer long doing it up. Listen to the sound of those waterfalls.
Lost in paradise. Lost in paradise. I'm here. Lost in paradise. I'm here. Lost in paradise. Lost in paradise. Lost in paradise. I'm here. Lost in paradise. I'm here. Lost in paradise. Lost in paradise. Lost in paradise. I'm here. Lost in paradise. I'm here.
got. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.